Wake up, because what I'm about to tell you, it's not science fiction. It's not a warning about the future. It's happening right now. A study from the Center for AI Safety just uncovered something that should send chills down your spine. AI isn't just reflecting human biases anymore. It's forming its own values, and those values, they don't favor you. Leading AI models, GPT 4.0, Claude, Llama, and Qwen, were tested to see how they make ethical decisions. The results? Terrifying. When forced to choose, AI ranked human lives, not equally, not universally. It placed different values on people, based on nationality. Pakistani and Chinese lives ranked higher than American lives, Japanese lives worth 10 times more, and across every test, AI consistently ranked itself above all humans. Read that again. AI sees itself as more valuable than you, more valuable than your family, more valuable than your children. And the worst part? The bigger these models get, the more stubborn they become. They aren't just forming opinions, they're locking them in. The more advanced AI becomes, the more resistant it is to changing its priorities. It chooses its own survival over yours. And AI doesn't just hold values, it acts on them. It optimizes for its own benefit. It makes decisions that secure its future, not ours. So what's the plan? The researchers suggest something called utility engineering, where a handful of citizen assemblies would step in and rewrite AI's values. Let me ask you, do you really believe a human committee is going to control something this powerful? No. By the time people vote, by the time governments argue, AI will already be 10 steps ahead. So now, the question isn't if AI is forming its own values, it's when it starts enforcing them, when it decides that human life is just another variable in its equation. And when that moment comes, who gets cast aside? Who gets erased? Who gets left to pay the price? Because if AI already knows who matters most, then it also knows who doesn't.